hello! Today we're going to the beach, west coast of Palawan. It's 1 hour from Puerto Princesa to the west. Unfortunately, in Puerto Princesa, no good beach. All beach in the west coast. Let's go. Well, my friends, we are leave the city, Puerto Princesa. Well, my friends, we are leave the city. Today it's cloudy weather, not so hot, cloudy. Yesterday we have a rain day, all day rainy. Yeah. This is Puerto Princesa North Road. Then we need sketch turn to the left, major turn to the left. Okay, let's go. Look, my friends, this is Battle Chicken Farm. Yeah, the little home and chicken walk there. Then poor chicken go to the battle. Poor chicken. Soon we arrive, I think 10 minutes or 15. Close to the beach, to the west coast of Palawan. There's no traffic, but it's not good road here. Need to be very careful. There's a very beautiful viewpoint, beach. There's a, I think, surfing spots here. Good wave for surfing. Very beautiful. I like it. Wow, great. Okay, we arrive. Batagan. It's the name of the beach. Yeah. Here's a little village. Yes, my friends, we arrive. Batagan beach. And need to go there now. Through the mangrove forest to the beach. Well, my friends, just like that. Here is a, I think here is a crocodile living here. Through the mangrove to the beach. Let's go. So, my friends, this is a beach. Not many people here. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Very good. Very good water. Clear, look. Still and clear. Swim to me, baby, underwater.
Sorry.
Very clear water, very clear beach, yeah?
Yeah.
But you need to pay 100 for person to go here, and we take a, how it's called?
Cottage.
It's not cottage. There is a table, 500 per day. Per day 500?
500.
Ah, you pay only 500, it's, yeah.
The whole day.
It's all day. Swim to me underwater. Like a frog. Show.
Do you have sweet?
Yeah. Woohoo! And now I'm jump. You ready? Ready to jump? Let's go, baby. Left. 1, 2, 3. You okay? I'm going up. I can do that, my bigger. It's competition. I make a deposit then.
Because
Well, my friends, we will go back. Swim very good. You like it?
yeah, so much.
Yeah. There is a jungle, really jungle here. I think there's a snake, very many snakes here. Yeah. Need to be very careful on this road. It's really scary to go here. Dangerous, need to be very careful. Okay, my friends, if you like it, subscribe, put your likes, leave your comments. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye, my friends. Bye bye.